In the manufacturing industry, the process of cutting and shaping materials is crucial for creating products. However, this process can be challenging due to the formation of long, stringy chips that can clog machinery and cause damage. This is where the chip breaker comes in as a service performed in the manufacturing industry. A chip breaker is a specialized tool that is used to break up these chips into smaller, more manageable pieces, allowing for smoother and more efficient machining. This service is particularly important in industries such as automotive, aerospace, and medical device manufacturing, where precision and quality are paramount. The chip breaker works by interrupting the flow of chips as they are being formed, causing them to break into smaller pieces. This not only prevents clogging and damage to machinery, but also improves the quality of the finished product by reducing the risk of defects caused by chip buildup. Chip breakers can be customized to fit specific materials and machining processes, making them a versatile tool for a wide range of manufacturing applications. Berkness Company is a manufacturing company that specializes in custom machining and fabrication services. As a company that values precision and quality, the chip breaker is an essential tool in their manufacturing process. By using chip breakers, Berkness Company is able to ensure that their machinery runs smoothly and efficiently, reducing the risk of downtime and improving the quality of their products. If you are interested in learning more about the chip breaker and how it can benefit your manufacturing process, you can visit the Contact Us page on the Berkness Company website to get in touch with their team of experts. They will be happy to answer any questions you may have and provide you with the information you need to make an informed decision about incorporating chip breakers into your manufacturing process. FAQs. 1. What is a chip breaker and how does it work in manufacturing? A chip breaker is a feature on cutting tools, such as drills and milling machines, that helps to break up and remove chips, small pieces of material, that are produced during the cutting process. The chip breaker is designed to create a gap between the cutting edge and the material being cut, which allows the chips to flow out of the way and prevents them from clogging the cutting tool or causing damage to the workpiece. 2. What are the benefits of using chip breakers in manufacturing? Using chip breakers can help to improve the efficiency and accuracy of the cutting process, as well as reduce the risk of damage to the cutting tool or workpiece. By breaking up and removing chips more effectively, chip breakers can also help to extend the lifespan of cutting tools and reduce the need for frequent tool changes. 3. What types of chip breakers are available for different manufacturing applications? There are several different types of chip breakers available, each designed for specific types of cutting operations and materials. Some common types include straight chip breakers, which are used for general-purpose cutting, and wavy or serrated chip breakers, which are used for more difficult-to-machine materials like stainless steel and titanium. Other types of chip breakers include variable pitch and variable helix designs, which can help to reduce vibration and improve surface finish during cutting. For more information, contact Berkness Company